Welcome to Falling Waters. Front entrance of condo. Living area is spacious and property is being sold turnkey furnished. Living area also features extended tile floors. Lanai's glass enclosed and extends living area. Lovely lake view from condo. Kitchen features white cabinets and white appliances. Kitchen also features a breakfast bar. Kitchen nook. Master bedroom is spacious and features glass doors to lanai. Master bedroom also features a tray ceiling. Master bathroom. Bedroom 2. Guest bathroom. Laundry room. Garage. Bird's eye view of condo. Clubhouse. Overhead view of amenities. Tennis courts. Bocce ball.